Hello everybody, Donnie's here. Today, I will be teaching you how to use Fiddler. No cuts here today. So, first, you're going to want to have the server link copied to your clipboard. Next, you want to open up Fiddler. Once Fiddler is open, you want to click Tools, go to Options, and click HTTPS. Once you're here, click Decrypt HTTPS Traffic, click OK, and a box should come up asking you to HTTPS certificate, click yes. An administrator prompt should pop up, click yes. Once that's done, click autoresponder. Your autoresponder might not look the same, it might. Click all the three boxes right here so they're all checked. Click add rule, paste in the server that you want. Next, you're going to want to click the little drop down box, find a file, and click whatever hack you have. For example, we're going to be using our Atlas hack we made previously. You'll want to make sure this checkbox is on, click it, click save, and you're done. Make sure to clear cache, have Fiddler minimized, open up Flash Player, click open, Control V the link, and boom. Boom. Late boom. Actually, let's reopen it. What the fuck? It's kind of whack. There we go. And there's our Atlas hack. Yeah. Have fun, boys.